Series Hyper app, and you just, here it's kind of alternative to Be Real. It's a daily challenges app. You can join your university. You can find your friends. Challenge accepted. You can find notifications. And then you can also invite friends. So then here's how it looks like. You just snap your photo, your point of view. You can tap to create your own challenges. You see your contacts. You see your rewards. So complete challenges like do daily photos, similar in Be Real, earn points, pick your reward, and then there are gift cards, similar as in TYB app, and then claim from your inbox. So you need to invite friends. You can add first challenge, verify email, join a college, then there are memories. And then you need to verify your email, and that's basically the idea how it works. So in a nutshell, that's what it is.